Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to change language. So if you want to change language in Microsoft Excel, you can go to File menu, click Option, and will be shown for the Excel option dialog box. In here you can click on language, and you can see we have these two option language. This is for the Windows and English, and if you want to add language, you can click at these buttons, add language. Now you can install your language by clicking, like you can set into Japanese, you can click install. And after it will be shown in the display of his language. Now you can select and then you can click move up to use the language. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Excel tutorial, how to change language. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.